Haringkat ka jing Pynkhreh ban pha batang jing puli Biang yaki arpo Ngut ki Khynnah ki bala wan Phai na Karnataka shaka Jylla haka arpo lai tarik yoyong arhaja arpusan hadin bakila koj na ka jing tom ka bakila ngat na ka jing bam yaki bam basa haka miet jong ka khat saw tarik leber arhaja arpusan katanat social welfare ka Sorkar Jylla lingbau ba poling do menteri badai kmi yakani katanat ulaong bakatanat kadang apat yaki kmi ki pa jong kini ki Khynnah ban shim yakarai Yakini ki arpo Ngut ki Khynnah lawan yalam da ka District Child Protection Unit na Mandya District ka Jylla Karnataka but IT shaka Directorate of Social Welfare ka Sorkar Jylla haka jingelang ka bau ba pol ru ulawan ban yadon lang Kumban syukuro bakini ki Khynnah kila bam ki jingbam basa balawan ai da ka wei ka kanuhon ka bala penlong jing khawai na marka le anyam holi minha ka khat sautri ulaber araja arpusan haka residential school ka bala tip kum ko Google Educational Institution hati ka Gipura Mandya District jong ka Jylla Karnataka Haka jing shisha ki don baro arpusaw ngot ki Khynnah na ka Jylla Meghalaya ki bapuli haka tega residential school ki bala mat jing shitom hendrai ngot pat na ki kila khlat no Kini ki balaklat ki kentup yau krek lang kong tani kat lais nam karta ubadai nak snong lindam pen ursla civil subdivision men haka step jong ka khat riu tarik leber araja arpusan but unambe bantai marwen kat ars nam karta ubadai na sok paru hajan lause nong ston CNRD block men haka miet kat nyo tarik leber araja arpusan
This return of the 22 children has been facilitated by the hard work that went on through our director Kyrwoh and also our officers. Three of them accompanied these children during their stay in Karnataka. They had to make all arrangements to ensure that things are done in a manner which is legally tenable and which is lawful and as per protocol provided by the law. So only after that exercise was completed, then the team from Karnataka, led by the senior leader of the Child and Women's Right Commission, had then agreed to accompany the children and brought them back to Shillong today. Now, as we speak, the parents are in touch with two officers who are here representing the Department of Education for a smooth arrangement for their onward studies. Now that they have left their courses midway, the Department of Education has assured us that they need just 2 to 3 days to complete all necessary formalities. And then they will ensure that these kids are then admitted to government-run schools in areas which are in proximity to their address. Now, in some cases, these parents are also migrant workers, which means that they keep shifting from one place to another. In such cases also, we will obtain their correct address and ensure that they are enrolled in a school close by. And as and when they shift, they have to give us prior notice so that we facilitate their next admission in course of their movement from place to place. See, as already enunciated in my speech, these parents, when they decided to send their wards outside to Karnataka, they did that under a particular NGO which is based in Jylla, West Hills district, and the conversation that started was between the leaders of the NGO and the parents. So it had nothing to do with the government. They did not seek any help from the government, any direction, any advice. It was only when the unfortunate incident happened wherein they had this episode of food poisoning that we lost 2 of them, and after that only they informed the state government. In any normal situation, our advice is that if even in case such children require to pursue their studies outside the state, they should seek the proper guidance and help of the government of Meghalaya. And as far as their studies within the state is concerned, we are mandated to ensure admission of all kids from the age of 6 to 14 under the Right to Education Act 2013. Well, it is beyond my purview as a minister to label them as pro this group or anti this group. I think we have brilliant journalists in you. Why don't you do a piece of investigative journalism on what actually transpired? What is this NGO?
What will be the step taken by the government to prevent such occurrence of such kind of things again?
See, as I said, the parents here exercised their free will to send their word under the guidance of a particular NGO, and there was no reference to the government. So in such cases we are helpless. But if they come to us seeking our advice on what do you think is this institute, what kind of grading do they have, what kind of background does this institute has, then only we can step in. But where children are really financially disabled, we have schools, ample space for schools, and under the Atiar we are bound to ensure their admission into such schools.
Nakaliang Rashmi S, Officer ng District Child Protection Unit na Mandya District Jylla Karnataka, kalapan pau ya ka jinkmen bagi ni ki Khynnah kila yo ya ka bormat ka baklan, bat ka dapru da ka jinkmen bakla yo ban penpoy ya ki sila ki jong ki bahayeng hasam jong ki.
It's our duty to rescue the children and take care of the children. Till 16/3/2025, our DC sir guidance, our district administrator to take care of the children and hand over the CWC to the admission the boys home, and we take care of the children, and we're happy to children hand over to the Meghalaya state, and ma'am program manager of Raptak madam is still contact with me still 16/3. She is very care of children, so we update day by day what happened there, we update there, and also we our children, it's our children, so every children is DCPO children, and they are called me Amma. I'm happy to Amma duties.
As far as the case is concerned, action where
Yeah, it's a process. FIR is registered and education. It's a process.
So the institute is closed or?
Closed. It's closed, and the education department
taking action.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab, kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bate ye kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashab plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka iron la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam khta ka dur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki marbam madon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.